know.
We are at the Burnaby Blues and Roots Festival. This is Rich Hope. You're about to take the stage.
Yeah.
All right, you're from Vancouver. What's your favorite thing about Vancouver?
Oh, I just love Vancouver overall. I love the weather, I love the people, I love the mountains, I love the ocean. Love it.
What do you love about blues and roots?
Well, it's everything. It's everything that rock and roll ever came from. When you lose that, you're not really playing rock and roll anymore. And if you're not playing rock and roll, I ain't come to listen to it.
I love it. And you've played this festival before.
Yep.
What do you love about this crowd and this vibe and the festival scene?
You know what? I love this crowd because this crowd, they want to listen to everyone that's here. When the one act's done, they're running over to the other one. There isn't this sort of distractions of other festivals where people are running around sort of not paying attention to other stuff. They really just take it all in, and that's my favorite thing. Yeah.
Okay, this man has worked and been on stage with who? Tell us.
Well, I played in a band briefly that backed up John Lee Hooker, Jimmy Reed, Stevie Wonder, and many others. Yes.
Very impressive, but impressed with what you're going to do today on this stage. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, what I'm doing is I'm playing bass pedals with my feet, me and Footsie Brown here, and I play my guitar, and I'm singing all at the same time.
So you are multi-talented. This is like a triple threat thing going on here. And you live in Vancouver now. You've lived all through the Deep South, but you've chosen Vancouver. Why?
Well, I just like Vancouver. It's peaceful here. It's relaxing. I go travel around the world, playing my music and my blues, traveling. Then I come back to Vancouver. I could relax here, and I work in like in the local places, and a lot of hotels and this type of thing. Yes.
And what do you think about the blues and roots? What kind of a vibe does that give everyone?
Well, the blues and roots is where the blues all started from. From the old days, then it migrates into R&B and all this, jazz, this type of thing. Yes, this is a great festival. I'm so happy to be invited to be here.
Well, I'm happy to meet you. It's Stephanie Florian here at the Burnaby Roots and Blues Festival with Wes Mackey.
Oh, yeah.